how to change page orientation in MS Word. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, have you accidentally put the page number somewhere you don't want and now you want to change the orientation? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. Open up your MS Word document. And then here you can see the page number is at the top in the left hand side. Now let's say you want to change it to the right hand side. Then it's really simple. Just double tap on the page number and you can see something like this appear. You tap on page number and now you go to top of page and you can see there is right hand side option. Just tap on it and there you go. Now it has been shifted to right side. Now similarly you can also shift it to the bottom. Tap on it, go to bottom of page and then tap on the formatting that you want and there you go. So it's as simple as that to change the page orientation. So if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like and share our video. Thank you for watching.